will move with the new topic, that is choreography script. Do you know what I mean by choreography? You can answer it. No issue. Do you know, children, what is choreography? No one knows choreography? Yeah. See, just look after your page number 87. Everyone, you can answer the questions. Whenever I am asking the questions, you can answer it. Okay. Before writing the choreography, you should read the poem once, twice, thrice. Okay. Listen here. This is another woman. You know what happened to another woman. In the first stanza, what is there in the first stanza? She went out to buy the vegetables. She thought to buy radish, but later on she thought it will be little bit more than the methi. If she takes radish, what will happen after going home? The mother-in-law will curses her. So she thought that it is extravagance, and later on she took only methi. What is second stanza, children? What is second stanza? She enters into the house. She enters into the house. Listen. She will listen the mother-in-law curses. How she curses? What she will say? That is there in the second stanza. So stanza wise you should know what is the meaning. Next, third stanza. She sat beside the stove. Everyone knows. Where she sat? By bending the head like this. She sat beside the house, but the husband did not notice her. There is no feeling between husband and wife here. She was depressed with the mother-in-law curses. Okay. Scoldings. Next, last stanza. What is last stanza, children? What happens to her? The title. What is the title here? Another woman. There is the domestic violence. Do you observe that?
Yes.
Yeah. At last, the woman was dead. What is the message? You should have the awareness about this domestic violence. To stop it, what you have to do? You should respect the woman. Okay?
Yes.
In all the ways, if you do that, the further generation will be the best. So in that way, stanza wise, you have to analyze it. Okay? Next, who wrote the poem? That is very important, Anna. And next thing is, what is the title? That is also very, very important. Okay. See, by reading this poem, we will come to know that this action took place in the market. Second stanza, we know that action took place in the house. Okay. Third action, we know that action took place near the stove. Okay. This is third one. Next one is, what are the characters involved in these stanzas? You are telling me the market people? Yes or no, Nana? Market people and the woman, mother-in-law, husband, and the team who performed this poem. Okay, that means 4 to 5 members. They'll stand on the stage and they'll create the atmosphere that they were in the market. After completion of the poem, the chorus in that sense, the team who are standing on the stage, they'll exit from the stage. Okay. In this way, you are going to write the choreography script. Now I want to write what you mean by choreography. Okay. Just you look after your continuation here. Okay. Write down what is the choreography. Okay, children? Yeah, just read it. Designing sequences of movements or actions for script or poem with a voice or a song in background. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to design in the order, in the sequences. Do you know what you mean by sequences, Rana? Part stanza 1, what happened? Incident. Okay. Second stanza, what is there? Third stanza. Okay. Scene 1, what happened? Scene 2, what happened? Scene 3, last scene is she was dead. What is the message? What message you want to give to the society? Tell me, children. What message you want to give? We need to stop. What?
Domestic violence.
Yes. Next one, write down the important points which are required for choreography. Important points. Reading a poem. What is the first important point? Reading a poem, identifying the theme. What is the theme of the poem, Anna? What is the theme? What is the title of the poem?
Another Woman.
The title is there in the poem or not?
Yes.
Yes. Reading a poem, identifying the theme and choreographing the poem. This is the first important point. Next point is listening to a song and choreographing it. Yeah, what is second part? Listening to a song. You should listen it and you should perform the choreography. Okay? Just now write down the third point, a very important point, that is reading posters and developing choreography based on the theme. Base it on the theme. Okay, what is third important point? Reading posters. Whether you have observed any posters?
Yes.
Reading posters and developing the choreography based on the theme. First you have to select a song, one song. Okay, later you have to make it into choreography. In that, you have to, first thing is you should write the title. Later on, according to the posters, you should create the poem.
Teacher.
Identifying social issues writing posters and slogans on these and developing choreography based on the theme. What is fourth point? Identifying social issues. Do you know what do you mean by social issues?
Yes.
Okay, writing posters and slogans on these and developing the choreography based on the theme. These are the important points you should remember while preparing the choreography. Next we will move with the topics. Okay children, the class will be continued tomorrow.